1 to 10, the number, number. You don't need to write in Tibetan. It's not important. The important is to you know the sound. Yeah, writing you can write in English. Even nowadays in Tibetan they're writing in English. So, but if you write in Tibetan, it's like this, almost same. You see, huh? Okay. See, almost same, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Anyway, I will write here both. So now you please repeat after me, okay? Ik, ni, sum, shi, nga, juk, du, ge, gu, chu. Ik, ni, sum, shi, nga, juk, dun, ge, gu, chu. Okay? Once more. Ik, ni, sum, shi, nga, juk, dun, ge, gu, chu. Repeat after me. Ik, ni, sum, shi, nga, juk, dun, ge, gu, chu. Ik, ni, sum, shi, nga, juk, dun, ge, gu, chu. Ik, ni, sum, shi, nga, juk, dun, ge, gu, chu. Ik, ni, sum, shi, nga, juk, dun, ge, gu, chu. Okay.